Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video I will explain how to replace your BMW X5 key fob battery. It's a simple process that takes just a few minutes. You'll need one new CR2032 coin cell battery, which is a common 3-volt lithium battery. A small flathead screwdriver or a plastic pry tool can also be very helpful for this task, making the process even easier to complete at home. The first step is to access the internal components of your key fob. Look for a small, often silver, release button located on the side or the back of the fob. Press this button firmly, and you will see the metal valet key pop out slightly. Once released, simply slide the valet key completely out of its slot. This key is essential for the next step. Now that the valet key is out, you'll notice a small slot or access port inside the opening. Take your flathead screwdriver or the valet key itself and gently insert it into this slot. With a slight twist or prying motion, carefully open the battery cover or tray. This action will expose the old CR2032 battery. Once visible, simply remove the old battery from its housing. With the old battery removed, it's time to install the new one. Take your fresh CR2032 battery and insert it into the housing, ensuring the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, is facing down. Make sure it sits snugly. Then, snap the battery cover or tray back into place until it's secure. Finally, reinsert the valet key until you hear a click, and test your key fob to confirm it's working perfectly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.